Guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways you can set up account alerts for Metro Bank. So in order to set up account alert on Metro Bank, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, you could go ahead and open up a browser and then type in your Metro Bank, metroonlinebanking.co.uk, and that's going to take you to the home page. Press the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Now in order to set up an alert for the Metro Bank app, you'll need to opt in to your Metro Bank app to receive transaction alert. If you haven't downloaded, the first thing, you could go ahead and download the app from your respective app store, and then you could go to the home page and go to settings or preferences. While you're on that page, you could go ahead and look for an option something similar like alert or notification. Then you could go ahead and customize the notification, and accordingly you'll have successfully set up a alert for the Metro Bank. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.